Did you know that according to the National Association of Realtors, 75% of realtors make less than $100,000 a year? And right now, with the volatility of the current real estate market, realtors are making even less. My name is Paul, and I'm CEO of RealDigiAds. In my third year as a realtor, I did $7.4 million in real estate sales, earned a six-figure income, and it was a lot easier than you think. My broker approached me and said, "Paul, you must know a lot of people to do so much business. After all, you're a new realtor." I don't know a lot of people, and I explained that I'm getting to know a tremendous amount of people. It all comes down to lead generation, and I'll share with you in this course how easy it is to generate leads in any real estate market. The typical realtor gets the majority of their business from referrals, from past clients, friends and family, and networking. When they do a sale, they love their business, but after some time passes, they don't have another prospect in their pipeline, they no longer love the business and are concerned about where their next sale will come from. This is known as the feast or famine business model, and many realtors are a part of this group, but it doesn't have to be this way. I've been doing lead generation for over 20 years, and I applied this expertise to my real estate business. To be successful, your real estate business needs consistent and predictable lead flow to generate consistent income. Every business needs the same. As realtors, we understand that this is a hyper-local business and it's all about building relationships. When you have daily lead flow, there's no limit to the amount of relationships you'll be able to build. Click to learn more and enroll today. You won't ever need to be concerned again about where your next sale will come from. This may be the best decision you'll ever make for your real estate business. As an added bonus for a limited time, realtors that continue on and subscribe to RealDigiAds to do Google search campaigns, we will refund 100% of what you paid for this course.